5 Best Manual Coffee Grinders. Number 5. The Peugeot 19401765. Fully adjustable manual burr-type mill quickly. Stainless steel mechanism. Efficiently cracks and grinds coffee beans. Lifetime warranty on the mechanism. Manual burr-type mill quickly. 5 years on the exterior of the mill. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. The Vomic Manual Coffee Grinder. Control the coarseness of your coffee. You can grind your coffee beans at home. The coffee grinder is easily carried and portable. Simply fill the jar with coffee beans enough. Our adjustable grinder feature. Enjoy 3 months of no reason to return policy. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. The Porlex Stainless Steel Coffee Grinder. Made in Osaka, Japan. 30 gram capacity. 47 mm diameter and stands 178 mm tall. Conical burrs are easy to clean. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Stainless steel, static-free body. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. The Hand Ground Precision Coffee Grinder. Achieve a consistent grind. Hand ground brew magnet is included. All grinders shipping have upgraded Triton hoppers. One-year full coverage warranty. Item weight, 1.32 pounds. Disassemble hand ground for cleaning. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. The Harry Osterton Ceramic Coffee Mill. Ceramic conical burrs ensure a precise manual coffee mill grinds beans. Ergonomically designed crank handle detaches. Compact storage and easy travel. Item weight, 1.25 pounds. Even while traveling with a light load. Please check the description for detail and price.